The Carrve GFR-170 is a premium, equipment-oriented camper that is suitable for tough adventures. Recently, I have become interested in different campervan configurations that allow you to take your motorcycle on adventures. Today I am reviewing the Carrve GFR-170. Carrve is a company that specializes in designing and manufacturing customized campers that fit your lifestyle, no matter what it looks like. Externally, the van has several updates. It runs on Black Rhino wheels covered with all-terrain tires. In addition, the designers attached two off-road lights to the front bumper and a Fiamma roof rack awning. Since this vehicle was previously a cargo van, it has no windows, except for the windows in the driver's cab. Unlike most other campervans, you can get on this rig through to places, through the sliding doors and in the back. Once you enter through the rear, you will discover the highlight of this camper, its incredibly spacious garage. On the left, it has a large gear wall with several horizontally and vertically arranged L-shaped rails, offering plenty of space and mounting options for your gear and accessories. If you're a biker and use the van to transport your motorcycle, this is the perfect place to hang your helmet, boots, and other motorcycle gear. All-track integrated into the floor allows you to attach your motorcycles. But how do you load them? As with most campers, you'll need to use a ramp. In addition, the rear step on the hitch will make it easier for you to get inside and push the bike on the ramp. On the opposite side, Carrve came up with a small but useful kitchen. It has a deep sink with a pull-down faucet, a small worktop, and a chest-style fridge freezer. Two large upper cabinets, 3 drawers, and a lower cabinet are available for storage. Under the sink, you will find a 75-liter freshwater tank that can be quickly filled using the filler hole on the side. There is also a socket to which you can connect a shower head or high-pressure sink and a faucet for hot and cold water. An electric water heater provides hot water. Since we are talking about utilities, I want to mention that you get some temperature control options. Specifically, you can use air conditioning or heater to travel all year round. In addition, this van has an electrical system. Although we do not know its characteristics, the living area has a long sofa and a dining table. The transformation of the sofa into a bed is surprisingly quick and easy. You have to pull the backrest, which flips over the bottom cushion and lies side by side to form a wide bed. Then you add the bedding and you're done. If you need extra length, you can turn the two front seats to support your legs. Overall, the GFR-170 by Carrve is a minimalist but very well-organized mobile home. It is the perfect companion for your motorcycle, bicycle, skis, snowboard, or other activities that involve transporting some gear.